Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So, hoy les tengo un video diferente. Voy a ir con mi mejor amiga, Karina. We've been friends desde que estábamos en la high school. So ya vamos para, I don't even know, I was like what, 14, 15? So van a ser como unos 15 años, I think. Yeah. Vamos a ir a recoger a Sebastian de la escuela primero y luego de allí we're gonna go to Hooters. Yo nunca he ido a Hooters, nomás he ido una vez, so I'm excited. She says the wings are good, so a ver qué. Y ahorita Katy se va a dormir porque she has a nap, so I will record once I get to her house.
¿Dónde?
Okay, so ay, no. Oh, and Wawa. I'm trying. So, ya llegamos aquí. We're gonna go pick up Sebastian. Why are you running? I can't walk that fast with this girl. Hello. Hello. You. Oh, niño. Where's he? Where?
With the military greeting.
Oh, I was gonna say with the military.
No. Yeah.
Hi, Sebastian.
Mama,
Who's that?
Thank
you.
How are you?
Where'd you have backwards?
Not him saying I picked him up, and his mom's like, his teacher's like, who's that?
Like literally.
Okay, so ya llegamos aquí. It's called Hoot. I guess it's like a smaller restaurant for Hooters. Ay. So, ya llegó la comida. I don't know what Karina ordered, but she looks busted. You hungry, Sebastian? Papa. Oh, we're gonna...
Meanwhile.
Alright, let's go.
For me,
Pa. He said copy. Eso es todo. So, vinimos a la Target. Katy and Santi, what? Katy and Sebastian want ice cream. Katy, what do you want? Oh, you want ice cream? Sebastian, what do you want?
I want the strawberry ice cream. We have the pizza.
Translation, please.
we want ice cream with a little topping on top.
Pizza with whipped
And whipped cream.
pizza.
He wants a whole sundae.
I want those.
We came for ice cream. Literally ice cream. Ay, wait. Sebastian. Ana Valin.
Dile.
A ver. Dale su Christmas present. Say Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Then.
Give me a hug. Give her a hug.
Hug. Dale un abrazo. Oh.
That over there?
Then.
That
Yeah.
over there?
That's a lot, Karina.
My bad.
Hola.
Thank you.
Target!
Target.
Why you
No.
want Target?
Yay.
No way!
What is it?
I'm Batman shoe! Whoa!
Oh.
Let me read
Your turn, bitch.
Daddy! Mommy! This is
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Aww.
Mommy, where's Daddy?
Damn, bitch, you still have...
Daddy? Tati.
Hola, Katy.
What the?
Open. Say thank you.
What are you? You open
Help
it?
her? Yeah,
Here.
help her.
Who? Jenna?
Nini, Senia.
Thank you, Sebastian.
Cheese! Kathy, open
Katy,
it!
open it.
Tati, mister. Mina.
Katy, open.
Wow.
Katy, open.
Open
Tati.
She's too busy with that.
Tati.
Look.
Tati.
Look, Tati.
Wow.
Wow, your favorite shoes.
Ew.
And with some cows!
Say
Open
thank
them
you.
first.
Let me see.
Hello.
Oh, these are cute. They're cows.
Now open yours.
Okay, yeah.
What? Who's inside?
Does he know?
Oh my god.
What is it?
It's here.
Look, I needed that too.
Dile, so you can do your hair.
With your hair.
Dile, para que te peine.
Yeah, no. Here.
Thank
Ray,
you.
Ray, Ray.
Thank you. Bitch, and I was gonna.
No, I can open mine.
You're. Oh no, wait, that's not. Okay, that's good.
I'm like, what?
Wait, there's. Oh, I think he took it out. Let me see. What is it? No, bitch. Show the other
some
one.
leggings.
No, bitch.
Look.
Show it.
Some earrings.
No, bitch. Okay, show the other one.
That's it.
Whoa.
Bitch. Show the other one.
That's it.
Tati.
Bitch. That's good content. Show me what it is. A ver. Eso es todo. Sebastian point 2. Coming soon, 2024.
Fucking bitch.
Okay, we're gonna drink one truly, just one. Because we responsible women, responsible mothers. I thought I should away. How do you do this? Oh. I can't see you.
Cheers.
Hey, cheers. Okay, so Karina decided. Damn, my head looks like shit.
That's why I came to fix my bitch.
Karina decided to make aguachiles at fucking 7:52, almost fucking 8, but whatever. So right here tenemos los camarones with the lemon, cucumber, more limon, jalapenos, garlic, cilantro. She used black pepper. I saw it on TikTok, so a ver cómo sale. Hopefully it's somewhat decent. It says to do 4 of these.
In the blender?
This is your blender?
To blend that. We don't need the big one, do we?
No, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think she got the juice all over her phone. The spoon.
¿Y tu cucharita?
Okay.
No, it's an agua. It's a lemon.
Bro. It's crazy what lemon does to shrimp.
No, it's an agua.
Imagine what it does to your stomach.
It's
That's what I'm saying.
lemon.
Like it's already cooking them.
Está haciendo, güey.
Yes. Would you like to say something? Alright, we're gonna try it out.
Maybe 40 years?
Look, it's my bedtime. Your bedtime is set for 9 o'clock. Ready? Oh, okay, cheers.
Hold on. Wait! Cheers.
Damn, bitch! Soak that
Ready?
shit. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
To drink.
Cheers.
Look at this guy. Another one?
It's about salt. It's actually good. Just a little salty.
You think so?
A little bit. But it's not like bad salty. Do a mukbang.
Mommy?
Where the fuck you going? Vamos a hacer un get to know me. ¿Cómo se dice en español? Un how do you say it? Para que nos conozcan mejor. Okay. So, primera pregunta.
Turn the camera more that way.
Ay, what the fuck?
Mama, use it.
Okay. Ow!
Turn
What
this
the fuck? I did. It can't be facing towards me the whole time. Okay.
Mama.
Primera pregunta. Let's see. ¿Cuál? I don't know how to say it in Spanish.
¿Cuál es? A ver qué.
What's the one thing you cannot live without? I think we both.
Una cosa que no puede vivir sin ella.
I think we both have the same answer.
You can't live without me, bitch. I know.
Definitely not. I was gonna say Katy. ¿Tú? Sebastian. Okay. So los dos tenemos un hijo. Right. That's what I say. I don't want this out.
No?
No, just in case. Cause
Try it.
Spicy.
It's not spicy.
A ver. Maybe
Try
just
it.
a little bit. Ay, babosa! You literally are gonna dump everything out.
Échale.
Espérate. Yeah.
Me gustabas, güey.
What were we saying?
En la ciudad de Michoacán.
Oh! What? I'm not even from Michoacán. Oh, that could be the name. Okay. Anyway.
Ando contigo. Sorry.
Yes. Guanajuato, actually. Oh, and Karina's from Zacatecas. From where?
Eres.
Jerez. Okay. She was actually born there. Ella nació allí. ¿Y a los cuántos años te viniste? ¿No?
Bitch, I was born here.
I thought you were born in Mexico. I thought you were born in Mexico.
You're a fucking idiot.
Wait, then how do you have papers?
You're so dumb.
Wait, pero you came here. Didn't you? Were born here and you went over there for a while and then you came back.
So I was born here.
Naciste aquí.
And then when I was, what, 2, 3, I went over there for a year. Came back.
Oh.
That's it.
So just for like 2.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. So she was born here. Nació aquí. My bad.
And you're my best friend and you don't know that shit?
No, it's because I'm used to.
You better edit that shit, bitch. Cause I'm gonna treat your life.
No, es que.
Yeah. You better cut this part to this kid, bro. Pause it.
Oh my god.
Dad.
No, es que yo sabía que algo de México. I wasn't sure.
Hey.
Okay, whatever.
Mira,
Okay, so we both have one kid. I have Katy and then Sebastian. That's Karina's kid.
Hey, mira.
Katy va a cumplir 2 años y Sebastian va a cumplir 6 años. Let's see what else. So you know where we were born. Oh, yo voy a cumplir 29 en mayo.
Y yo 18.
Karina va a cumplir 30.
When?
What?
When?
When what?
Hey,
En octubre.
Hey,
Third.
no, Mama.
En octubre.
Oh, damn.
Karina es casada. Tiene un esposo. Like, legit esposo. Like, cuando digo legit esposo, es porque mi mamá dice que si una pareja está viviendo juntos, aunque no estén casados, que ya es su esposo. Y yo digo que eso no, like, no va, no cuenta. Like, si no están casados, then no son esposo y
Mama, yeah.
Marido y mujer.
marido y mujer. So, she is actually married. So, yeah.
Ya, güey, ya. Cuéntale.
No, stop. A ver.
Daddy?
Do you want?
No, Ben. Want a toy?
I don't like these. Hold on.
Así, así. Grab it like this.
Dolo!
Ready? Go. Jump.
Dolo!
Jump.